Welcome to the TV King channel, cutting the cord since 2002. Please make sure to click the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest tips and tutorials. Welcome back to the channel. If you use a Fire TV stick or any Fire TV device, there's some big news you need to hear. Amazon has just confirmed a global crackdown on apps that provide access to pirated content. This isn't just a rumor, it's an official move, done in partnership with the Alliance for Creativity and Entertainment, also known as ACE. Let's break down what's happening, what it means for you, and how you can keep using your favorite apps safely without breaking any rules. Amazon is now blocking apps that are identified as providing access to pirated movies, shows, and live TV. This applies to both the Amazon App Store and sideloaded apps. But don't worry, sideloading itself isn't being removed. Amazon says sideloading will still be allowed for legitimate apps that don't promote piracy. This move is part of Amazon's new device-level protection system, built right into the Fire TV software. That means the blocking happens directly on your device, not just in the App Store. Even if you sideload an app, if it's on Amazon's piracy list, it simply won't open anymore. And no, using a VPN won't bypass this. The blocking happens at the system level, so the app itself is disabled, no matter what connection you use. New Fire TV devices like the Fire TV Stick 4K Select are now powered by Vega OS, a system that's designed to completely prevent sideloading for piracy apps. Older Fire OS devices will still support sideloading for now, but Amazon is applying app-level blocking to those devices too. Why Amazon is doing this? Amazon and ACE say this initiative is about more than copyright. It's also about protecting users. Many piracy apps are known to contain malware, trackers, or fake links that can lead to fraud and even data theft. This new crackdown aims to stop that and make streaming safer for everyone. What this means for you: if you're using any app that provides access to pirated or illegal content, those apps will soon stop working on Fire TV devices. You might see an error message, or the app may disappear completely after a future update. However, sideloading is still possible for non-piracy apps. That means tools like Downloader, Kodi, or Plex clients will continue to work, as long as they're used legally. What you can do next: if you still want flexibility and full control over your media, there are better, safer options you can use right now. Here's what you can do to keep using sideloaded apps responsibly. Option 1. Use a media server. Set up a Synology NAS with a media server like Plex or Jellyfin. Add sonar to your NAS that acts like a DVR to get all your TV shows. For your movies, download them directly from a NZB indexer. Both use SabNZB to download Usenet to a folder. Then your Plex server or Jellyfin will pick up these files from the folders you created for those applications. Then stream them directly to your Fire Stick, Google TV, or any smart device. This setup keeps your content private and secure. Option 2. Use an Android TV box. Instead of relying on Amazon OS or Google OS, you can use an independent Android TV box that allows full app control. Devices like the Formula Z12 Ultra or Yugu's AM9 let you install whatever software you choose without being restricted by Amazon's ecosystem. Option 3. All-in-one streaming box. If you want a simple plug-and-play experience, consider something like the Vseebox V6 Max. It's an all-in-one TV box that runs on a flexible Android-based system with great hardware performance and full app freedom. It has IPTV and video on demand already installed onto the TV box with no restrictions and no device-level blocks. Amazon's crackdown is a major shift in the streaming world. It shows that piracy is being taken seriously and that big tech companies are uniting to close the loopholes. But for viewers who just want freedom, privacy, and control over their media, there are still plenty of safe, smart alternatives. Run your own media server, use open platforms, and stay in control of what you watch the right way. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates on streaming, privacy, and device guides. Thanks for watching, and stay safe, stay smart, and happy streaming. Your online activity is monitored by your ISP, government, and all websites. Become anonymous while streaming and downloading with Privado VPN. Click on the Privado VPN link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.